And now to new details in the case of a South Tucson 3-year-old who died after being shot in the head. The boy's father admitting to police he keeps guns loaded and accessible around the house.
South Tucson police arresting 23-year-old Anthony Noriega on charges of negligent homicide and domestic violence endangerment. Yesterday, police were called to the home on 27th and 11th Avenue. Police found him in the alley holding his son. Now,
according to a court document, Noriega telling police he was getting ready for work when he heard a bang and saw his son on the ground. He also admits to keeping all his firearms loaded with a round in the chamber, and some of those guns are in the children's bedroom. Noriega went on to say that the 3-year-old has becoming increasingly explorative. This morning, a Pima County judge releasing Noriega to pretrial services. The defense pointing out that he has a job, and his partner advised the court she welcomes him back. He has a court hearing next month.